How to switch accounts on Messenger application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also have multiple Messenger applications, multiple Messenger accounts, then what you can do is just head over to your Messenger application and like say if you want to switch to another account, then just tap on this menu button over here at the bottom right corner. Then you will be seeing this settings option. So just above that you will be seeing your profile. Just tap on it and you will be seeing all of the different accounts, multiple accounts which you have logged in on your device. So just tap on any one of them just like this and just click on continue. And if you haven't saved your password or login credential, it might ask you for your login credential, but if you have saved it, you'll just automatically open it. And if the login session is expired, don't worry, just you can just re-log in by simply tapping on that particular account just like this. And that is exactly how you can easily switch your accounts on Messenger application. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.